Today I will start the numerals, Roman numerals. In the last video, last class, I have discussed about something about a bit of Roman numerals. Okay, so we all know about Roman numerals, that how to write 1, 5, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Yes? Yes or no? Do you all know? Do you all know? Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, just ever लिखी दिसो, no need to write.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
One is written as I. 5 is
I.
written as V. 10 is written
V.
as X. Then 50 is written as
X.
L.
S
100 is written as C.
L
Okay.
D.
500 is written
D.
as D. And 1000 is
D.
written as
D
M.
M.
Alright?
M or
M.
K. M or
M
K.
and K. Okay, very good. Now again mute. Okay. So I will do the class little bit differently today. Okay, I'm going to share a screen with you guys. Here in your book you have only the questions, sums of new Roman numerals. So first I will discuss some rules of Roman numerals. Then I will start your exercise. Okay, start the sum from your exercise. First we will go through the rules, how to write the Roman numerals. Okay, so first all of you just need to do is you have to watch your screen. I'm going to share a file with you guys. Okay, so just তোমালোকৰ স্ক্ৰীনত চোৱা, and here we go. Wait for a minute. দেখিছা তোমালোকৰ স্ক্ৰীনত something I am sharing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so wait, let me fix something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so first
Yes.
we will discuss the Roman numerals, the rules of the Roman numerals, how to read and how to write the Roman numerals. Okay, so everything is clear, right? Video and audio, everything is clear, I guess. Okay, so see here, rules of Roman numerals. Rules of Roman
Yes,
numerals.
sir.
The first rule is, see the first rule, when a smaller symbol is after a greater symbol, it's added. What is the first rule? It is when a smaller symbol is after a greater symbol, it's added. That means, see here, see the example, 5 and 1. This is V1. V1. V means, we all know that V means 5 and I means 1. Yes.
1.
So it is what?
1.
This 1 is just comes after this 5.
Plus.
Right? So we have to add this 5 and 1. So this is the first rule of Roman numerals. Okay? So 5 plus 1, that is 6. V and I altogether they known as what? It is 6. It is 6. Okay? We all know this, right? So next, rule number 2 is, if a symbol comes after itself. Okay? That means if a
Symbol means subtract.
Okay, wait. First, let me explain the number. Okay, so if a symbol comes after itself, that means if a symbol repeats. Okay, if a symbol repeats, then that like suppose x. See here, x we have. X means, we know that x means 10, and one more x is there, that is 10. 10 plus 10, that is 20. If a symbol repeats, then we have to add that two symbols. Here also we can see what? CCLX. That means C means, we know that 100. Again one more C we have, that is 100, and L means what? L means 50 and X means 10. All, if I all together all of them, then we will get what? 260. Okay, so I think rule number 1 and 2, rule 1 and 2, these two rules are very easy, you know all this. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, so now it's rule number 3. When a smaller symbol is appears before a greater symbol, it's subtracted. This one a very important one. Okay, so wait just a second. Let me clear all my drawings. Alright. So the third rule. Okay. The third rule is what? When a smaller symbol appears before a greater symbol, it is subtracted. Okay. So for example, this is what IX. Okay, I is a smaller symbol and X is a greater symbol. I means 1, X is 10. We know it, right? So I is what? Just before X. I is just before X. So we have to do what? We have to subtract this I. That means subtract this 1 from the 10. Okay, we have to subtract this 1 from 10. That means 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. So this is the third rule. Similar case, XL. We all know that X is 10 and L is 50. And X, that is the smaller symbol, is just comes before the bigger symbol, that is the L. Okay, so we have to subtract this X from the L. That means we have to subtract the 10 from what? From 50. 50 minus L is equals to 40. Okay, similar way, CM means what? CM means 900. M means 1000. M means 1000. Since this C is just before M, so we have to subtract this 100. So 1000 minus 100 is equals to 900. I guess it is clear to you. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes,
Prabal, everything
Sir.
is okay? Okay, dear?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Prabal?
sir.
Yes,
Very
Sir.
good, very good. Your voice
Yes,
is
sir.
today clear. Today your voice is clear. Very good.
yes,
Prabal.
sir.
Okay. Now see the rule number 4. See the rule number 4. It is what? The same symbol cannot be used more than 3 times. Very important one. Okay. Whenever we need to write 4, 40. Okay. So we cannot write like 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. We cannot write I. Or we cannot write here. See, we know that 30 we can write 30 x. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. But we cannot write 40 like x. Okay, we cannot repeat one symbol more than 3 times. We cannot repeat one symbol more than 3 times. Exactly. To write 50, what all we have to do? What we have to do? We have to write like this. We have to write like this. Okay, this one is 40. Already I have discussed. This one is 40. We have to subtract this 10 from the 50. We have to subtract the 10 from the 50 because we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So I guess rule number 4 is clear to you. So Roman numerals, basic some of the basic Roman numerals. Let me check out. This is what we all know. What is 1, 2, 3, 4? How to write 4? See how to write 4. Since we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times, so we have to write this 4 like IV. We have to follow the rule number 3. That is IV. See, V is a greater number, so I comes just before V, so we have to subtract this I, that means 1 from 5. Okay, so 5 minus 1, that is 4. Alright, so it is IV, 4. Okay, so next we have wait a second. We all know what is 7, how to write 7, 9, 10, 20. All of you, please, if somebody have any doubt in writing Roman numerals, then you just need to know the rounding numbers only. 10, like 40, 50, okay, 40, 50, 100, 90. These are important numerals. You have to know these numbers, how to write. Okay, 400. Okay, since 400, see, it is a little bit different than these guys. Okay, like if we need to write 200, we just need to repeat this C. That means we just need to write this C 2 times. But in case of 400, we have to do what? We have to do subtract 100 from 500. That is, we have to write like CD. We have to write like CD. So that is why keep focus on these numbers like 40, 90, 400, 900. Okay, so it is important. All right. So next we will move to the next part. See what is there. So a similar case here we have also how to write 900, how to write 800 and 1000. We know all this. Okay. So now I will show you how to solve some disease. Okay, how to write numerals. Okay, or how to convert to Roman numerals. Okay, sorry, first we have what? Wait, okay, first we have how to convert Roman numerals to digits. How to convert Roman numerals to digits. So we are given one Roman numerals, that is C D L X I V. It is C D L X I V. It is the Roman numerals we are given. We need to write the number or the numeral only or the digit only by watching this Roman numeral. Okay. To convert the Roman numerals, find the value of each symbol in it. Okay, so what we have to do to convert to digits from a Roman numeral, we all have to do first. We have to find out the values of all the symbols. We have to find out the values of all the symbols. Okay, like here the question was wait. Okay, question
Sir,
was.
can I answer this?
Wait. First, wait. I will ask all of you the questions. Then you can answer. First, just go through the slide. Okay. So C D L X I V. First, to write the digit, we have to do what? We have to know the values of each of the symbols. We have to know the values of each of the symbols. So you see here, C means 100, D means 500, and L means 50, X means 10, I means 1, and V means 5. We all know this, right? So now we have to remember what? We have to remember one thing very important, that is the rule number 3. That is the rule number 3. To do this, we have to remember here the rule number 3. Because see here, see, this C comes just before D. This C comes just before D. As we know, if a smaller symbol comes just before a bigger symbol, then we have to subtract that smaller symbol from the bigger symbol. Alright, so see here, we have 100 before just 500. So we have to altogether these two symbols. By doing altogether these two symbols, we get what? We get 400. CD means what? CD means 400. And L means what? L means 500. L means 50, right? L means 50. And
50.
L means 50 and X means 10, and again we have a smaller digit or smaller symbol before a bigger symbol. So we have to do what? We have to subtract this 1 from this 5. We have to subtract this 1 from this 5. Okay, so if I write these Roman numerals in digits, then how we have to write? First, CD, we have to check this first number, that is CD. This is what? 500 minus 1, that is 400. And yes, Prabal, why you are raising your hand? Is there any doubt? Prabal, why you are raising your hand? Prabal, can you hear me? Do you have any doubt, Prabal? Okay. See, it is 50
Sir, no, my
plus.
mistake.
Yes. Yes. What is it?
Sir, my mistake.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Sir, my mistake.
All right. All right. I got it. I got it. So. So 50 plus 10. It is 50 plus 10. Since we have here L and X, we just have to add this 50 and 10. Then we have I and V, that is we know that it is 4. So if I sum up these all three numbers, then we will get what? 464. We will get what? 464. Wait.
1064.
Okay. 464. So this is how we have to solve, we have to convert our Roman numerals to our digits or numbers. Okay, so 464 is the answer. I think all of you understood. Do you have any problem? Anybody raise your hand. If you have any problem, then raise your hand. If you have any problem, then raise your hand.
sir.
No problem. Very good.
Sir.
Very good. You guys are awesome.
No, sir. No problem.
All right. Very
No
good.
problem.
Okay.
No, sir.
All right. Very good. Very good. Again, one more. Again, one more example we got. That is, it is what MDCXXLI. Can you tell me the number? Anybody? Can you tell me the number?
1600. 1641.
1641.
Very good, very good, very good. Dixit, do you have any doubt? Dixit, do you have any doubt? You are raising your hand. Why you are raising your hand? Do you have any doubt? Dixit. Dixit. Okay. So I guess all of you have understood the concept. Very nice. So next we will move to the next part. Wait. So converting digits to Roman numerals.
Give one more question.
Wait. I will ask all of you. There will be a quiz session today. Okay. So in the last, just first go through the slides. Converting digits to Roman numerals. Now we will learn how to convert a digits to Roman numerals. So first we have what? 2342. All we have to do is what? All we have to split the number, or we have to expand the number. We all know how to expand a number, right? It is what? 2000 plus 3000 plus 40 plus 2. So first we have to write 2000, that is mm. Then we have to write 300, that is CCC. Then we have to write 40, that is XL. Okay. Then we have to write 2, that is II. Okay. All of you, I think all of you are familiar with this kind of questions. Very good. Very good. So any problem do you have? Anybody? Do you have any problem in that? No. Okay. Very good. Then I can go a little bit faster. Okay. So similar. Okay. Similar case here. See. 987, same case. We have to do what? We have to expand the number. 900 plus 70 plus 8. First we will write what? 900, that is CM is 900, we all know. Then we have to write 70. 70 is 50 plus X plus X. 50 plus X plus what? Did I make something? Did I make some mistake here?
10 plus 10.
Yes, I made a mistake here, right? Yate moi eta mistake korchu, right? Yate moi eta mistake korchu na? Yes, right? So here should be only one X. Here should be only Yes, very good. Here should be only one X, and then we have to add this 8. Okay. So this is all about Roman numerals, rules of Roman numerals, how to write, how to convert to Roman numerals, or how to convert to number from a Roman numerals. So now see, this one is very important one. So symbols like V, D, V, L and D, like or 5, 50 or 500 cannot be repeated. We cannot write VV, we cannot write VV, or we cannot write LL. Okay, we cannot write LL. Okay, or we cannot write DD. Alright, these kind of symbols
Sir,
cannot
what
be
is the
repeated.
meaning of V?
V means 5. Who are you? Prabal. Prabal?
Yes, sir.
Oh, তুমি সুধিছা যে মিনিংটো কি? L টো কি?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the symbols. These are the symbols used by ancient people. Like we have many symbols. Our আগৰ মানুহবিলাকে কিছুমান আলফা গামা এইবিলাকো ইউজ কৰিছিলে symbols এইবিলাক. So যেনেকৈ তোমাৰ এটা নাম আছে ঠিক তেনেকৈ 5 টোৰ কাৰণে ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট টু
Sir, country remote use করে.
Okay, Roman use করে. Okay, very good. So তাৰ মানুহবিলাকে কি কৰিছিলে ancient people বিলাকে Roman number use কৰিছিলে 5 quantity টো বুজাবৰ কাৰণে to represent this 5 quantity বুজাবৰ কাৰণে V use কৰিছিলে এই shape it is just a symbol. Okay. So it is what this is all about Roman numerals. So I will now stop sharing. All right. So then you have learned what is Roman numeral. Let me just know very well. Very good. Now I will ask some questions. One by one. Then we'll make some noise. First I will ask some questions one by one. All of you put your audio mute. Sabore audio to mute rakha. Moi jar naam kom. Only he will unmute and tell me the answer. Okay? And I need the answer quickly. So be focused, just see the screen. Meghna, unmute your audio. I need a quick reaction. Meghna, unmute the audio. See? Okay. I need a quick reaction. All of you, be focused. 97. Meghna, tell me the answer. 97. Quickly.
X.
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 X, C,
V.
V,
I. X.
I, X, C, V, I, again.
Sir, V. Double I.
V, I.
One I.
Only one I how कैसे होगा? See, yeah, it is 97. It is 90 plus 7. First we have to write this 90, then we have to write this 7. 90 means what? 90 means what? It is XC. 90 means XC. And 7 means what? VII. So VII. I guess you question so it is XCVII. All of you clear how 90 is, how XC? Because 90 আমি already কৈ আছো যে কি হয় 90 লিখিবৰ কাৰণে 90 40 900 এইবোৰ লিখিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰো এইবিলাক লিখিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰো আমি 100 ৰ পৰা 10 টো মাইনাস কৰিব লাগিব and এই যে মাইনাস কৰিছো এইটো বুজাবৰ কাৰণে আমি স্মলার সিম্বলটো কোড লিখিম লেফট সাইডে লিখিম so xc is 90 and 7 is VII. Very good, Meghna. Very good.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 1900 to কেনেকুৱা হ'ব 1900
1900. Okay, first we have to very good Livon do ask questions. 1900. So first we have to expand this 1000 plus 900. Now it will become simple. Okay. it will become simple. We know how to write at 1000, we know how to write out 900. 1000 is m and 900 is what? 900 is what? We can, how can we write 900? How can we write 900?
XC.
XC 900. 900.
CM.
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 Okay, so it is MCM. Alright, so first we have to expand the number. We have to expand the number. Okay, got it? Livan, is it clear now?
Sir, how we
Yes,
write?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Nishan? Yes,
Sir,
Nishan?
how we write 2000 to 2655 56.
2656. Okay,
2600.
all we have to do what? Expand. 2000 plus 50. 56. Okay.
55.
55. Okay. So it is 2000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 5. Okay. So first we have to write 2000. It is mm. Okay. Then we have to write 600. It is what? Tell me quickly. Quickly tell me. Yes. DC. 600 is DC. And this one is L. And 5 is B. This is the answer.
5 is B. Yes.
Okay, Nissan. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. তোমালোক সবে ভিডিওজবোৰ অন কৰি ৰাখিবা I need to see what you are doing. Okay. Once তুমি টেবুলত বহি আছা না বিছানাত বহি আছা? You are sitting in a table or a bed. Once nobody don't do the class in your bed. Okay. So do you have any question? Anybody do you have any question? Any questions? No questions. Then I can ask now.
No, sir.
All right.
Roman numeral 1 lakh hoba pare?
Yes, 1000 or
Yes,
more
sir,
than
1
1000.
lakh
Wait, what question?
1 lakh.
পাৰে সবতে পাৰে তাতে তাৰ কাৰণে বেলেগ সিম্বল আছে এতিয়া মই ফাৰ্স্ট টাইম তোমালোকক কৈ আছো আমাৰটো ইয়াতে থাউজেণ্ডছৰ লৈকে আছে হয়নে নহয় তো এতিয়া চোৱা আমি 3000 লৈকে লিখিব পাৰো m ঠিক আছে it is m it is what 3000 but how to write 4000 টো আমি এনেকৈ লিখিব নোৱাৰো m we cannot repeat a symbol more than four times. Can we repeat a symbol more than four times? We cannot, right? So how we have to write 4000? We have to write there is one symbol for more than 3000 numbers. So that is 4. We have to just write 4. Then we have to give what? One modulus. Sorry, one this. Okay, we have to. This means what? If I give this line in the above of this 4, then it will become what? 4000. 4000. বুঝি পাইছা?
Sir, why?
Huh? Why? This is
Why, sir?
symbolized as this. This is symbolized as this. Okay. They use this like this way. Okay, যেনেকৈ আমি 5 to কেনেকৈ b লৈ লিখিছোঁ ঠিক তেনেকৈ this is the rule of Roman numerals. If I put a bar here, this bar means thousands. Okay, if I put this bar above this x, then it will mean what? 10,000. It will mean 10,000. What? 10,000. Got it? Is it clear? Liban?
Sir, এর উপর দিলে 5000 হয়ে যাব
Yes, it will be 5,000.
So normal number যেনেকুৱা ভিটোৰ ওপৰত যদি চিনটো দি দিও হেটো 5000 হৈ যাব
Yes, 1000. 1 lakh. Wow, you guys making it tough. You guys making it difficult for me. So 1 lakh. See, this is 1 lakh. Okay. Question should come. This is 1 lakh, right? Yes or no? How many zeros are there in 1 lakh?
Yes, sir.
550.
5 zeros. So 5 zeros. See here, 100,000 means 1 lakh. So can we write 1 lakh? 100,000. Can I write 1 lakh now? Yes or no? Is there any idea? Do you have any idea how to write 1 lakh? It is 100,000. Already I have told you.
Sir, upor.
Yes.
Sir, upor.
If I write it like this, then it will mean what? 1 lakh. Okay. So can I come to the book now?
Sir, how can I write 10 million?
Okay, I think it is enough. 1 lakh is
20
enough.
million, how can I write?
I think it is enough. Okay, আমি এটা বুকটা হম নাকি? Alright. ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
Nishan?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now I will do one quiz session. Quiz session for 5 minutes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Prabal and Vivian. Only Prabal and Vivian will unmute the audio. Prabal and Vivian. Okay? Now we will answer 199. What will be 199? Quickly, I need the answer. Prabal and Vivian.
Sir, the answer is CIC.
300 IC.
IC.
C. Oh, ये बताना रह गया. Okay. C. Alright, wait. मैं आगे का मतलब कवर ठीक कर दूँगा लोगों. Prabal told that it is 99 is IC. Prabal told that 99 is IC. Okay. We have some more rules. Now see.
99 is XC.
Yes, 99 is, yes. Prabal told that it is IC, but 99 should be how we can write it as XCIX. It is 90 and this is 9. Okay, the 99 is this. 90. This is how we write 99. Okay, so Prabal question is IC. So Swa, what is the rule? What is? Hey, let's. Alright, so আমি কি কৈ আছিলো? Oh, IC. We cannot write 99 as IC. আমি 99 টোক IC এনেকাকে লিখিব নোৱাৰো. So সদায় মনত ৰাখিবা, this I can be right, can be written. Wait, let me
I is subtracted from P and X only.
Yes, I can be subtracted from V and X only. I can be subtracted from V and X only. Okay, I can be subtracted from V and X only. And this X can be subtracted from L and C only. Always remember, this X can be subtracted from L and C only. I mean, এনেকে লিখিব নোৱাৰো. X D বুলি লিখিব নোৱাৰো বা X M লিখিব নোৱাৰো. এনেকে লিখিব নোৱাৰো. বুজি পাইছা? We cannot write like this. Okay, we cannot write like this. Got it? This I can be subtracted or I to ami cast in front of V. We can write I just in front of V only and we can write I in front of X only. We cannot write this I in front of C or E in front of L or in front of D or in front of what? Before M. Okay. So M, C, L এইকেইটাৰ আগত আমি I টো লিখিব নোৱাৰো. মনত থাকিব? বুজি পাইছা সবে? আকৌ এবাৰ কওঁ। আকৌ এবাৰ কওঁ নি কাৰবা?
Yes, sir.
বুজি পাইছা ন?
Sir.
So 199. Yes. 199. Prabal, now you understood. Prabal ahile nai. प्रबल किधर गया? वो जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था वो ही नहीं है। प्रबल,
can I say the answer?
Yes, yes, Wasim, tell me the answer. Wasim, tell me the answer. Quickly, quickly, don't waste time.
CXIX.
CXCIX.
CXCIX. Very good.
CXCX.
Very good, Wasim, very nice. So it is CXCIX is the answer. So first you have to write this 100, then we have to write this 90, then we have to write this 9. Okay, always remember that thing that is I cannot be subtracted. তোমালোকে এইটো রুল লিখি ৰাখিবা মই কৈ দিছো শুনা তোমালোকৰ এই প্ৰবালে সুধিছিলে লৰাটো গুচি গ'ল ওকে মই বস্তুটো কৈ দিছো মই তোমালোকৰ যিখন মই এতিয়া হেৰি ৰুলছ বিলাক মই শেয়াৰ কৰিছিলো Same rules kini মই তোমালোকৰ গ্ৰুপত শেয়াৰ কৰিম গ্ৰুপৰ পৰা rules বিলাক only the rules and one example the rules and one example rules and one example তোমালোকে কপিত নোট কৰিবা ঠিক আছে rules and one example কপিত লৈ লবা yes
Sir.
yes
Sir, can we write now?
Again.
no এতিয়া নালাগে মই তোমালোকৰ wait তোমালোকে মই যিখন
Sir, first to clear নাছিল এই কাৰণে
ওকে চোৱা তোমালোকক মই যিখন শেয়াৰ কৰিছিলো অলপ আগত যিখিনি ৰুলছ বিলাক যে শেয়াৰ কৰিছিলো প্ৰচিডিউৰছ বিলাক শেয়াৰ কৰিছিলো তাৰে এই ৰুলছ বিলাক যে আছে সেই ৰুলছ বিলাক তোমালোকে লিখি ল'বা মই তোমালোকৰ গ্ৰুপত সেই ফাইলটো মই দি দিম ঠিক আছে গ্ৰুপত ফাইলটো দি দিম তাৰ পৰা তোমালোকে চাই ৰুলছ বিলাক লিখি ল'বা এণ্ড ওৱান এক্সাম্পল তোমালোকে ৰুলছ বিলাক লিখি ল'বা তাত আৰু দুটা ৰুল এড কৰি দিবা that is rule number 5 এটা exactly rule নহয় but you have to remember this rule বুলি মনত ৰাখিবা but note বুলি yes now write it down note বুলি কৈ just লিখি যাবা note 1 I cannot
पागल देखिए बहरा हो गया है
I cannot
बहरा हो गया है
subtracted from but I can be subtracted from V and X only I can be subtracted from V and X only note number 2 X can be subtracted from L and
बहरा हो गया पागल देखिए जोर जोर से चिल्लाने से भी सुनता नहीं है बहरा Excuse me. Sir, excuse me.
Excuse me.
excuse you पंछी अभी आया है प्रबल are you hearing my voice प्रबल তোমাৰ আনমিউট কৰি ললা বাট তোমাৰ ভয়েসটো অহা নাই ওকে মই গম পাইছো চোৱা এই দুটা নোট লিখি লোৱা write it down Okay, note number 1. I means I, symbol I today. I can be subtracted from V and X. I can be subtracted from V and X only, and X can be subtracted from L and C only. Okay, write this.
Sir, screen is not clear.
Screen is not clear.
Sir, screen is not clear.
Wait. Screen should be clear. Why screen is not clear?
Sir, उसरो करे दिखाई दियो. Sir, completed.
Very good.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good, Liman.
Sir, done. Sir,
Okay,
done.
boss.
Sir,
Alright.
done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay, no need to say done, done, or done. Okay. Just okay. बैठे रहो, बाकी सबको होने दो. Done, done, or done. Done, done, or done.
Sir, done.
Okay, Sangeeta
Sir,
Sharma,
done.
who are you? Sangeeta Sharma, who is you? ভিডিঅ'টো অফ কৰি কিয় থোৱা তোমালোকে মই বুজি নাপাওঁ না ইমান দিন পাছত আহিছা আমি এটা প্লেটফৰ্ম পাইছোঁ আমি কথা পাতিবলৈ প্লেটফৰ্ম পাইছোঁ তাৰপিছত ভিডিঅ'টো অফ কৰি কিয় থোৱা দৃষ্টি নাও এতিয়া মই তোমাক দেখিছোঁ ন দেখি থাকিলে কি প্ৰব্লেম আছে মোৰ তোমালোকক দেখি থাকিলে মোৰ ভাল লাগে মোৰ ক্লাছৰুমত পঢ়াই থকা যেন লাগে চ' লেট মি চি ইউ অ'কে আৰু ইমান দিন দেখা নাই মিছ কৰি আছোঁ চবকে তোমালোকে স্কুল মিছ কৰিছা নাই কৰিছা এবাৰ সুধিলোঁ
Yes. Kurisu, sir. Kurisu, sir. Yes, sir.
Kurisu, sir.
Kurisu, sir.
गुड जल्दी ठीक होगा सब ओके हो गया
Yes, sir.
এটা বুঝি পালা না ওকে এটা কুইজ সেশনটো স্টার্ট কৰিম অলপ পাছত ওকে সো আই উইল স্টার্ট দ্য কুইজ again all of you mute your audio all of you mute your audio যাৰ যাৰ নাম কম সিয়ে অকল আনমিউট কৰিবা যাৰ যাৰ নাম কম আনমিউট সিয়ে কৰিবা ঠিক আছে নাও সামিক্ষা মাহিন এন্ড স্পার্শ সামিক্ষা মাহিন এন্ড স্পার্শ অলরাইট জলদি জলদি আনসার দেনা है alert keep your audio unmute now you can unmute your audio जल्दी जल्दी आंसर दो 1099 जल्दी आंसर दो
Sir.
CIX yes very good MXCIX okay okay you have to be faster than this you have to be faster than this okay very good now keep it mute again keep it mute again okay Mantrasa Loini and Parasmita Mantrasa Loini and Parasmita unmute it unmute your audio $3,449
MCC
MCC
N IX
very good but tumi koisa MCC is it MCC बाकी सबका क्या हुआ पारस्मिता लॉयनी एंड किसको पूछा था लॉयनी एंड किसको पूछा था
Mantrasa.
मंत्रासा व्हाट हैपेंड किधर गई तुम लोग बुझी पा रहे नहीं कोन भाई it is what 1000 that is M 300 that is CCC 40 that is XL 9 that is IX MCCC XL IX Clear? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now all of you again keep it mute. Everyone again mute it. Okay. Now all right. Dixit, Levan and Renambal. Dixit, Levan and Renambal. Be ready. Unmute it. Dixit, Levan and
Yes, sir.
Renambal.
Yes, sir.
1989. Okay, তোমালোকে পাৰিছা মই তোমালোকৰ আৱাজটো একো বুজি পোৱা নাই বাট গম পাইছো তোমালোকে পাৰিবা অলৰাইট by just observing your confidence very good তিনিটাই পাৰিছা 1000 that is m 900 that is I m cm 80 means l x x x 80 9 means I x very good very good তোমালোকৰ কনফিডেন্স দেখি মই বুজি পাই গৈছো যে পাৰিবা okay now Dhruvajyoti Satyam Nishan Dhruvajyoti Satyam and Nishan okay unmute pura quickly don't waste time unmute pura $1449
What? M C D X L I X.
আৰু কোৱা বাকি কিটা কি হ'ল কাক সুধিছিলো নিশান্তে কৈ আছে আনমিউট কৰি লোৱা আগত সত্যমে নিশান কি হ'ল ক'ব পৰা নাই সত্যম क्या हुआ okay good Satyam what happened Satyam is there any problem Satyam
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ ভালকে ক'ব পৰা নাই তাৰ কাৰণে বুদ্ধি লাগিব ভালকে ক'ব পৰা নাই তাৰ কাৰণে বুদ্ধি লাগিব কি বুদ্ধি লাগিব যে কাৰণ তুমি কিয় ভালকে ক'ব পৰা নাই জানা তুমি বস্তুখিনি বুজি পাইছা বাট তুমি এইটো বুদ্ধি মাথাত অহা নাই যে ঝাপকে মই কপিখনত মই বস্তুটো ৰাফ কপি এখনৰ নাম্বাৰটো লিখি লওঁ নাম্বাৰটো লিখি লোৱা ঢাপকে যদি যোনে যিমান ফাষ্ট নাম্বাৰটো নিজৰ কপিখনত লিখি ল'ব পাৰিছে দিয়ে জলদি আনসাৰটো ক'ব পাৰিবা বুজি পাইছা তো সেই বস্তুটো কাৰণ বৰ্ডত চাই থাকিলে ইমান হেৰি দিয়া ব্ৰেইনটো ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰে so সেই বুদ্ধিবিলাক ইউজ কৰিবা so কি হ'ব এইটো 1000 that is m 400 that is c cd 40 that is xl 40 xl and 9 that is ix 1x নহয় ix Satyam किस है ऐसा now is it clear
Yes.
কৰাৰ পাছত yes বুলি ক'লে নহ'ব আগতে ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ব লাগিব okay all of you keep it mute again now Sohel Wasim and Vidhi Jain Sohel Wasim and Vidhi unmute kora $1394 quickly
M C C C one I G
very good Wasim good M 1000 তোমালোক তিনিটাই পাৰিছা মই গম পাইছো তোমালোকৰ মাৰ্ককিটা মই ধৰিব পাৰিছো সোহেল got it তোমাৰ সোহেল তুমি বুজি পাইছা ন M C C C. 1000 means M, 300 means C C C, and 900 94 90 means X C, and 4 means I V. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now डिस्ट्रिक्ट इधर गई फिर से डिस्ट्रिक्ट निहारिका डिस्ट्रिक्ट ओके তুমি আনমিউট করা নিহারিকা ডিস্ট্রিক্ট এন্ড গৌরব নিহারিকা ডিস্ট্রিক্ট এন্ড গৌরব আনমিউট your audio quickly 1147
C M. Sir, excuse me.
C
Sir, excuse me.
yes ও দেখা নাই নাকি
C I D
P M I.
নিহারিকা
Sir, M
yes
X L E I I.
very good district তোমার হয়ে আছিল অলপ ভুল হৈছে চোৱা district চোৱা it is 1000 plus 100 plus 40 plus 7 okay so ইয়াতে কি কৰিবা 1000 means M 100 means C 40 means XL and 7 means VII okay this is the number clear सबको पूछ लिया कौन बार रोए गला निकी पांची तुम रह गई पांची रह गई हर्षिता एंड पांची रह गई हर्षिता तो पैसा बारू पांची उड़ गई क्या ये उड़ गई लगता है पांची को गला तुम्हें पांची नहीं टाइम मार नहीं हाँ से okay Harshita and Pansi 1479 কুইকলি কৰা একদম লগালগ আনসার আহিব লাগে पंसी अनम्यूट कर लो पहले माहिन तुम रह गई यार मने मने भैया से सब कमे बोल
Sir, M C D L X I X.
ओके वैसे M C D L
X X I X.
L X I X. Okay, very good. M means 1000, CD means 400, L X means 70, and I X means 90. Very nice, very nice. Pansi, তোমার মিউট অডিও নাই ভিডিও নাই তুমি এবাৰ রুলস কিনা আকৌ এবাৰ চাবা যদি বুজি পোৱা নাই গম পোৱা নাই মই তুমি বুজি পাইছা না নাই মাহিন এন্ড বন্স আনমিউট অডিও আনমিউট কৰা মাহিন এন্ড বন্স কুইকলি অডিও আনমিউট কৰা Nine 1940 जल्दी बोलो
M C M X L.
very good 1000 means M 900 means CM and 40 means what 40 means XL very nice very good I किसको पूछा था वंस किधर गया तुम वंस कुर्सी। तो क्या लगता है? ओ प्रीतम, प्रीतम एंड प्रियम, प्रीतम एंड प्रियम कहाँ हो तुम लोग? आसाने নাই দুইটা? প্ৰীতম আৰু প্ৰিয়ম আছেনে নাই? প্ৰীতম প্ৰিয়ম নাই নেকি? প্ৰিয়ম
Sir, Priyam is not able to join.
प्रियम unable to join. ओके ओके। प्रीतम को किसके साथ दिया जाए? ध्रुवदीदी तुम ही बोल दो। प्रीतम एंड ध्रुवदीदी अनम्यूट। प्रीतम एंड ध्रुवदीदी 999 बोल दो, जल्दी जल्दी बोल दो फटाफट।
सर सत्य खुदा रहा है।
Sir, CM
CM XCI yes very good very good প্ৰীতম কৈছিলা নে তুমি? প্ৰীতম কৈছিলা নে? yes I got it very good anybody কোনোবা left হলা নেকি? anybody left? প্ৰীতম বুজি পাইছা ন? okay alright very good हर्षिता सबको समझ में आ गया? लिबन शोएल ये डॉट 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 किसका है पता नहीं?
Yes, sir.
वांस वासिम सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
ऑलराइट वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस। ओके सो वेट तो तुम लोगों का होमवर्क हो गया? अभी देख लो होमवर्क देख लो। Exercise 1F. Exercise 1F. Question number 1. Exercise 1X. Question number 1. ठीक है सर? Question number 1 खुद से करना है। Exercise 1X.
Sir, in copy or book?
In copy. In copy. देखो कैसे करना है हम दिखा देते हैं। मतलब लिखना कैसे है? How to write. हाउ टू राइट मैं बोल देता हूँ तुम लोगों को। देखो सपोज आई एम टेकिंग वन रैंडम एग्जांपल लाइक 519 टू राइट इट इन न्यूमरल फॉर्म sorry रोमन न्यूमरल so you just need to do what first you have to expand this 519 that is 500 plus 10 plus 9 like 500 plus 10 plus 9 then you will just write 159 is equal yes 500 means B then 10 means X 9 means I do the expansion this expansion form to लिखिबा ठीक है सर
Sir, 1F2.
हाँ okay
Sir, 1F.
हाँ let one
1F और प्रथम क्वेश्चन तो
प्रथम क्वेश्चन नंबर एग्जांपल 1F क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जिबिला আছে তোমালোকে কপি এনেকাকে লিখিব লাগিব এটো কৈছো তোমালোকে কপি এনেকাকে লিখিব লাগিব ঠিক আছে কপি মে ऐसे लिखना होगा
Sir, Roman numeralot লেখা থাকিলে
ओके ओ ইয়াত আছে নেকি এটা ओके আছে সো এটা কিছুমান রোমান নিউমারেলছটো লিখা আছে মই দি আছো এটা বুজি পাইছা ন কেনেকে লিখিবা আৰু জানাটা লিখি পঠাই দিবা মোলে कॉपी ভালকে মেইনটেইন কৰিবা সবে
ओके सर
আৰু रोमान নিউমাৰেলছ লিখা থাকিলে কেনেকৈ কৰিবা আজি আমি ডিসকাস নকৰিলে रोमान নিউমাৰেলছ লিখা থাকিলে কেনেকৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰিম আৰু সাপোজ মই দিলো এটা নাম্বাৰ সি ডি এম আমি ডাঙৰ কৰিলো সি এম এক্স
Sir, can we do question number 2 also?
यस अगर तुम कर सकते हो तो कर लो देखो मतलब कैसे करना है अगर तुमको पता है तो कर लो लिखना भी आना होगा ठीक है तो इसको कैसे करना है देखो CM we know this CM right CM सब एक्सपांड करना है सबको. CM plus XL, CM plus XL, that is 40, and this is VI, that is VI. ये एक एक नंबर करके एक्सपांड कर दो. CM मीन्स कितना हो गया? CM मीन्स कितना हो गया? CM मीन्स हो गया 900. XL मीन्स कितना हो गया? 40, and 6 मीन्स कितना हो गया? 6. And 946 is the answer. ऐसे करना है तुम लोगों को, ठीक है? सब नंबर्स को एक्सपांड करना है, सब नंबर्स को एक्सपांड करना है, ठीक है? इसको CM को मतलब स्प्लिट कर दो, XL को स्प्लिट कर दो, 6 को स्प्लिट कर दो. ओके, क्या? हाँ, ऐसे 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 करना है, कॉपी में. ओके, all of you understood?